Samsung Galaxy Z Fold, a new chapter in foldable innovation. Samsung is set to unveil its groundbreaking tri-fold smartphone, the Galaxy Z Fold, later this year. While the company has remained tight-lipped about specific release details, a recent leak from industry insider Yogesh Brar sheds light on its anticipated launch and availability. According to Brar, the Galaxy Z Fold is expected to debut in the third quarter of 2025, but its release will be confined to South Korea and China. Mirroring the strategy employed with the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, this tri-fold device will not be accessible in the United States or Europe. Furthermore, the leak indicates that the Galaxy Z Fold will be produced in limited quantities, with a price tag ranging between $3,000 and $3,500. The exact number of units to be released remains unspecified. This news may come as a disappointment to many consumers. While the hefty price point isn't entirely unexpected, given the premium nature of foldable devices and the added complexity of a tri-fold design, potential buyers in Western markets might feel let down by its limited availability. It's essential to recognize that the Galaxy Z Fold is a niche product, unlikely to achieve mass market appeal. Its steep price may deter all but the most dedicated or affluent enthusiasts of foldable technology. If the launch of the Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition is any indication, fans may need to exercise patience. The Z Fold Special Edition was never officially released outside of Asia, yet it's believed to have laid the groundwork for the forthcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. Many features from the Special Edition, such as the impressive 200MP camera and the lightweight titanium hinge plate, are expected to be present in the flagship model. It appears that Samsung is using the Special Edition as a testing ground to evaluate these innovations without jeopardizing the flagship release. While it's speculative, the Galaxy Z Fold might serve a similar purpose, allowing Samsung to refine the tri-fold design before a broader rollout. This approach enables the company to ensure the design's robustness and gauge market demand, potentially avoiding the pitfalls experienced during the original Galaxy Fold's launch. We'll have to wait and see how Samsung proceeds and whether the limited rollout of the Z Fold proves successful. Regarding the anticipated cost of the Samsung Tri-Fold, it's expected to be quite steep, and many might not even have the opportunity to purchase one. Reports suggest the price could range from approximately $3,000 to $3,500. Based on current exchange rates, which Samsung may not necessarily use, this translates to around £2,225 to £2,595 or $4,650 to $5,425. However, if you reside in a country using any of these currencies, it seems you may not have the chance to invest in this device. According to reputable tipster Yogesh Brar, the Z Fold will be released in limited quantities, exclusively in South Korea and China, as previously speculated. Samsung has a history of limiting the availability of its innovative devices, as evidenced by last year's Galaxy Z Fold Special Edition, which was exclusively released in South Korea and China. This raises questions about the company's confidence in the international market for these premium foldable smartphones. The high price point of these devices is not surprising. As highlighted in our review of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, the phone launched with a starting price of $1,899.99 in the US, £1,799 in the UK, and $2,749 Australian dollars in Australia. The upcoming variant is expected to feature a larger screen and an additional hinge, further contributing to its cost. In comparison, the Huawei Mate X2 is priced at 19,999 yuan in China, which translates to approximately $2,775, £2,060, or $4,305 Australian dollars at current exchange rates. These figures underscore the significant manufacturing challenges associated with foldable technology, resulting in elevated prices and limited production runs. Since the initial rumors of a Samsung Tri-Fold device emerged, speculation has suggested that it may be named the Galaxy Z Fold. This device is anticipated to incorporate the same hinge technology expected in the forthcoming Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. We may not have to wait much longer for the launch of the Samsung Tri-Fold phone, likely to be called the Samsung G Fold. Recent reports indicate that it will share several features with the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 7. According to a reputable tipster at PandaFlash Pro via WuckTech, the speaker design and integration within the chassis will be consistent across both foldable models, suggesting similarities with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 as well. Furthermore, the hinge mechanism is expected to be similar across both handsets, with both models featuring a fully flat body design. This suggests that any bumps or creases will be minimal, a detail that has been the subject of previous speculation. This design choice is likely to result in cost savings for Samsung, as the company can utilize a greater number of identical components across the Galaxy G Fold and the Galaxy Z Fold 7. This is particularly relevant given that the former will include an additional hinge and a third screen panel. Samsung has already hinted at the development of a tri-fold device, indicating that it is in the pipeline, although official details remain scarce. The brightness and wired charging rates are expected to match those of existing models, with specifications of 2,600 nits and 25 W, respectively. In contrast to the Huawei Mate X2, the Samsung Trifold is reported to fold inward, necessitating the inclusion of an exterior screen alongside the primary display. The dimensions of the screens are anticipated to be 6.49 inches for the outer display and 9.96 inches for the inner display, measured diagonally. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and the Galaxy Z Flip 7 are projected to be unveiled in July, alongside the full introduction of the Galaxy G Fold. However, it is possible that the latter may not be available for purchase until later in the year, with supply potentially being limited. All three devices, the Trifold, the Galaxy Z Fold 7, and the Galaxy Z Flip 7, are likely to be showcased during a Samsung Unpacked event in July, although the availability dates may vary. Additionally, we can expect to see the new Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 at the same event. The Galaxy G Fold, a revolutionary leap in foldable technology. The Galaxy G Fold's innovative trifold design represents a significant advancement in foldable technology, offering users unparalleled flexibility and functionality. Its inward folding mechanism allows the device to expand into a stunning 9.96-inch display, providing a tablet-like experience that is ideal for multitasking, professional work, and entertainment. When folded, the device transforms into a compact 6.54-inch screen, enhancing its portability and making it an excellent choice for everyday use. This design is tailored for users who seek a seamless transition between various applications. Whether you require a larger screen for business presentations or a more compact form factor for on-the-go convenience, the Galaxy G Fold adapts effortlessly to your needs. Drawing inspiration from the Galaxy Z Fold 7, the G Fold maintains a sleek and lightweight profile, ensuring that it delivers utility without compromising on aesthetics or durability. This harmonious blend of form and function positions the Galaxy G Fold as a versatile smartphone suitable for both professional and personal use.
Subscribe.